Yes, students, now we practice textual sentences regarding order of adjectives. Before that, we should be thorough with this acronym, that is DRN. DR Nosas Comp. DR Nosas Comp. Okay, Nosas Comp. Now we practice the sentences. I bought beautiful a umbrella red. What is that? I bought umbrella. Okay. Beautiful. What is the number of beautiful? Beautiful comes under opinion. What is the number of beautiful? 3. And A should be first determiner. It comes under determiner. Umbrella. Now we are saying about umbrella. This is now, it comes at last. And red. What is the red? Red is color. What is the number of color? 7. So what is the right answer? First of all, 1. I bought A. Next, 3. Beautiful. I bought a beautiful. Next, red. Last, noun, umbrella. This is the right order. Beautiful A, umbrella, red becomes a beautiful red umbrella. Okay? Next, second sentence. We saw in the zoo what baby A elephants of couple. Now, first of all, you have to write A, number 1. What is baby? Baby means, here we have to understand big or small. Baby means comes under size. Size, what is the size? Number 4. Baby comes under 4. Elephants, this is a noun, comes at last. Here, couple of, number, what is the number? 2. Couple of, praise, couple of. Now we write, we saw a couple of baby elephants. We saw a couple of baby elephants. Baby comes under size. A is determiner and elephants is noun. Of, couple of, this is a prepositional phrase. So couple of. Couple comes under number. Couple of. It should be understood. Of follows couple. Now our grandfather lives in big size. What is the number of? 4. House noun. And A first. Stone built comes under material. What is the number of? 9. So now our grandfather lives in a big stone built house. Okay, our grandfather lives in a, this is the first one, big, fourth one, and stone built comes under material. So stone built, last, house. Now our grandfather lives in a big stone built house. Next, Ramya has nice is opinion, a sari noun, silk material. 9. Now what is the answer? Ramya has a nice silk sari. It should be understood. Sari is a noun. It should come at last. Ramya has a nice silk sari. Now I bought square big box. A Spare. What is that? Spare is the shape. What is the number? 6. Big size, 4. And box, noun, a first. So I bought a big square box. Okay. Next, she sang Italian wonderful a clock old. Not sang, she bought. She gave or presented. She presented. Now Italian, what is that? Italian comes under origin. So 8. Wonderful means opinion. What is the number? 3. A first. Clock, this is a noun. And what about old? 5th one. Okay, now she gave or presented a wonderful old next Italian and clock. What is that? She gave or presented a wonderful old Italian clock. That is the right order. For that we have to follow this acronym, that D Nosas Comp. If we are thorough with this acronym, we can answer. We can write the right order of adjective in the sentence. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video.